Okay, class, listen up. Now that I have your attention, here's what we're working with.
Fruit? Interesting. That one! I saw it first! Not true! You steal everything! Oh, could you be more annoying?
Again? I've had enough of this.
Hey!
Why, hello there.
Ah! My hair! Jeez! Make it stop! Aren't you happy it's raining? Okay, that's enough! So dramatic. Hey! It's fine. Just listen.
Finally, now create.
Okay. Out of oranges? Leave it to me. Lucky for me, orange is my favorite color. Hello? Am I a trash can? Actually, I'm a little inspired. Let the creation process begin. Just trust me on this one. It may look funky now, but it's gonna be epic. This coloring sure takes time. But when you add this yellow into the mix, and green too, everything makes more sense. But it still needs a little something. Yep.
Huh?
What? Give me a break. Just you wait and see. I'm thinking way outside the box, expanding my horizon, so to speak. Can you see it yet? It's a whole other world here. See what I mean? Isn't it a beauty? All from an orange peel.
Huh?
Seriously? I've got something more orange here. See? What do you think?
Well, I am intrigued, but unimpressed.
What?
And yours? Now this is something different. But a map. What about the orange?
This orange?
Wow! My mind is blown! The winner is clear!
You hear that?
Oh, it's just so tragic. He never saw that rock coming.
How awful.
He was my best friend. Oh.
Poor guy. A rock? And a fish? I don't get it.
It's too hard to talk about.
Okay then. We gotta get him a new fish. Yikes. Are you seeing this? Hey, you good over there? Hello? Alrighty then. Wow. It's here. My fish. And my new wardrobe. Another shopping spree? That's right. Hello, lobster. Just look at this guy.
Yikes, I'm congested.
What's all that? Yep, just as I suspected. But first, I need some lobster red. It really is a two-hand job. And just a bit of tweaking. It makes all the difference. Do you see what I mean yet? Ta-da! One crab coming right up. You like? Hey! Oh, just give me 1 sec. Okay, all done. Yeah, me too.
Done? Already? Well, that's one adorable crab. Reminds me of Mr. Fish.
I hoped you'd think that.
I feel so warm inside. Well, do you get what I'm talking about? Cuddle party.
25, 26? How many are there? That's nothing. Check it out. What? No way! Yep, that's right. Impressive, I know.
Hey, knock it off! Are you listening? It's all about Stitch.
Okay, fine. I'm not sure what to do here. This won't work. No, definitely not. Huh? Wait, something soft. Now we're getting somewhere. Hope nobody needs these, 'cause every piece counts. Every last one. Wait, that's it? So chic. Oh, I've got this. The paper roll? I can use this. I see you. Quite literally. With the right shapes, you can make anything. Even the cutest little guy on the planet. Don't you agree? Who needs plushies when you can make your own? He's really coming together now. Little cutie. Look at that little smirk. Don't you just want to give him a hug? He's just precious.
Don't just scroll.
What? It's her mess. Oh, jeez. I know. Can I borrow this for a sec? Hey!
What? Is that yours? Pretty accurate.
That's right.
And yours?
Me? Of course! What? Don't you love it? Imposter! And a thief!
Sir, take a look at this report, will ya? A report? Oh dear.
What's in there?
Huh?
I know. See these? You each get one.
What? Why? I see it. See what?
Oh, hello? Know what this is?
Okay then. Let the games begin. Maybe something will come to me. This paint doesn't stick to the plastic. It's a disaster. Or is it?
Oh my, oh my.
While you read, I'll boo-boo. Mine. Am I smooth or what? Get in there. Snug as a bug in a rug. That was easy. I'm a genius. Whatever. She wants to play games. I can do that. Oh, yeah. Hey, over here. What? Selfie or it didn't happen? Okay. Great. Small, nice, and big, okay? Yep, just like that. Perfect. Looking good. I'll take one of you. Oh, no need. Okay, rude. Rude or smart? Looks like I'm about to win. Just one more finishing touch. It's gotta look somewhat homemade, right? Tracing is genius. And out you go. Well, look at this. La-boo-boo-tastic. It really is a masterpiece. Just stamp it and boom. The outline's there. I just have to fill it in. Sit back, relax, and watch this thing come to life. These brown Labubu's are my fave. Who could resist that funny face? Ta-da! It's just perfect! Award-worthy even! What? Nothing compares to the real deal.
All done. Let's see here. That's real. No artistry involved. And yours? This is your interpretation? Now this is real art. We can all learn from that.
Yeah, whatever. I win!
Whoa! So small yet so big. You guys should see this. Or rather, use it as inspiration.
Clear slides? So what? Yeah, what?
We paint, silly girls.
If you say so. I know just the thing. Tracing is always the way to go. Good thing this is the size of my phone screen. And just like that… What? Spare me. Are you scared? Wait, are you seeing this? It's beautiful! Just look at those colors! No way! Believe it, baby! Natural inspo is the best inspo. The more colors, the better. It's a real treat for the eyes, isn't it? And this is just the border. Pretty cool! Now for the inside. It's all about feeling happy. I mean, look at this and try not to smile. Me too. Look.
What? All done? Well…
Let me brighten things up for ya.
What? Shark! Ah!
Oh, sorry. Should've thought that through.
Don't scare me like that. And you? Look at those pretty colors. Not scary, see?
Yay! I did it! Way to rub it in.
Oh, how adorable. Just look at his tiny nose.
Achoo! 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 You're allergic to cats? It doesn't define me. This is a cat I can deal with. Let's see. Oh boy. I know. Pack your bags, folks. Just kidding. I keep my wires in here. Let's go high-tech, shall we? Just watch and be impressed, folks. Let the inspiration begin. Getting tricky here. Very tricky. I'm going the more traditional route. Nothing high-tech about this. Just clever artistry, baby. Prepare to be impressed. Wait! It's done and perfect! Your sweet kitty cat! Yep.
Huh?
What a colorful kitty.
You like it?
But this is perfection. My baby is perfect.
So what? She cheated! No art here!
Oh, really? Unacceptable. I'm very disappointed.
Whatever, bro.